Ignite your journey. Propel your everyday with actionable insights, motivation, and empowerment. Don't just exist, thrive in every aspect of your life. Welcome to Inspire Your Life. In Lesson 4, we delved into the captivating realm of the psychology behind manifestation. We discovered that our conscious mind acts as the captain, steering the ship of thoughts, while the subconscious serves as the engine, bringing our manifestations to life based on these thoughts. The crucial twist lies in the subconscious's inability to distinguish between reality and imagination, making it imperative to consciously focus on positive thoughts. The solution involves techniques like affirmations, visualization, and meditation, with the linchpin being consistency. As we met Alex, who transformed his career outlook through daily practices, the key takeaway is that understanding and directing the interplay of our conscious and subconscious minds empowers us to shape a reality aligned with our desires. Lesson 5. Neuroscience and Manifestation. Welcome back to our exploration of the fascinating world of manifestation. In this segment, we're delving deeper into the scientific underpinnings of the process, focusing specifically on the powerful intersection of neuroscience and quantum physics. Ever wondered how your thoughts can reshape not only your mindset, but the very structure of your brain? Let's uncover the profound connection between neural pathways and the art of manifesting. Our journey into the science of manifestation takes us to the intricate workings of the brain. Neural pathways, the interconnected routes formed by continuous thoughts, play a pivotal role in shaping your reality. When you consistently concentrate on a goal, desire, or fear, these pathways strengthen, effectively integrating your thoughts into your lived experience. To manifest successfully, it's crucial to consciously create and reinforce positive neural pathways. By consistently focusing on your goals, you train your brain to align with those thoughts. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's the tangible result of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reshape itself. Neuroplasticity, however, demands commitment and patience. Much like forming habits, building and strengthening new neural pathways takes time. Stay dedicated to your goals, and soon your brain will mirror the positive changes you seek. This is the essence of the science of manifestation, your thoughts physically modifying the structure of your brain to bring your desires to life. Now that we've explored the neuroscience behind manifestation, brace yourself for the quantum leap in understanding. Step-by-step guide. Integrating neuroscience into manifestation. Step 1. Cultivate neural pathways. Continue refining your neural pathways by consistently focusing on positive thoughts. Train your brain to align with your desires. Step 2. Visualization power. Incorporate visualization into your manifestation routine. Picture your goals with vivid detail, knowing that your focused observation influences the outcome. Step 3. Affirmations with intent. Craft affirmations that not only align with your goals, but carry intentional language. Acknowledge your active participation in the manifestation process. Step 4. Aligned action. Take actions aligned with your goals, understanding that your actions contribute to the collapse of possibilities into a tangible reality. Step 5. Patience and trust. Just as neuroplasticity requires patience, so does the manifestation process. Trust that the alignment of neuroscience and your deliberate actions is shaping the reality you desire. As we conclude this deep dive into the connection between neuroscience and manifestation, remember that your thoughts have the power to shape not only your reality, but the very structure of your brain. By consciously navigating neural pathways, you unlock the potential to manifest your desires with a profound understanding of the scientific forces at play. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, continue to manifest with purpose and witness the extraordinary unfold in your life. Thanks for watching.